Good morning, everyone. I'm Turbo the Tech Nerd, and welcome to Video Content Creation, where we help you take your problems with audio, video, lighting, video editing, and even photo editing to the next level. So we take your problems, we turn them into solutions, and help you get better at what you do. So my name's Jim. I'm Turbo the Tech Nerd otherwise. And I've created this channel to try and help people with their video photography and lighting needs, because when I first started doing it, I had to literally learn everything on my own. And believe me, that's not easy. There's a ton of reading that you could do, but I always found that learning by example was the best for me. I'm actually a slow learner. As much as when I catch on, I catch on quickly, but it takes me a long time to get to that. And then there's this little transition period where I understand it, but I'm not really sure how to use it. And then suddenly things start to go, hey, wait, if I can do that, that means that this can happen next. And that's the excitement about what I do. And I want to take all of my experience, not only as a home inspector where I get involved in a lot of technical things, but as a photographer and videographer doing real estate videos and real estate photography. And I want to share all of that information with you. I mean, there's lots of room for all of us in this world to make a living doing this. And in order to make a living doing this, really, there's just a few basic things that you need to know, and then you can get a little bit more advanced and make it more technical and more fun and more interesting. And just like everybody tells you about creating YouTube videos, it's all about content. So don't waste your crappy footage making people watch that. Only use the best. Never ever put anything out that's less than the best that you have available. And so what we're hoping with this introduction video is just to let you know who I am. I've been a home inspector for 10 years. I'm a certified master inspector. I've been a certified professional inspector. I've been a registered home inspector. I've been a national certificate holder. I have about 100 certificates in the home inspection industry. I also have, I'm a dive master, but I'm not in service as a dive master. I'm a technical diver, certified to 200 feet. I dive on rebreathers. So I have a lot of technical stuff in my life, and I just want to be able to share some of the technical stuff related to cameras, video, editing, photography, editing, and lighting, and be able to share that with you to help make your YouTube videos the best quality they can be with the items that you have or the items that you were thinking about buying, which is why I do so many reviews on other gear. And you'll notice I use the SM7B. We put this microphone up against the pod mic, and you need to find that video with Rob Laidlaw, because in that video I am giving away a Rode pod mic once I hit 1,000 subscribers. 2 simple actions. All you have to do: subscribe to the channel, send me an email with your address and your phone number. And when we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to give it away completely randomly to whoever wins it. And we've created a Patreon page for this channel because we are not a monetized channel currently. So we're just hoping that people will help us out and support the channel. You know, the toys that I'm giving away, they are expensive. I am paying for them out of my own pocket, but with every little bit that people put in, I'd like to be able to give away better and better and better gear. So that's it for now. We hope that you will like, subscribe, comment below, and of course, hit the notification bell so that you know when we have any new videos out. Thanks for visiting Video Content Creation. We'll see you in the next one.